So the last class we had covered with the sleeping lines from left to right and right to left. Then we had also done standing lines from top to bottom and bottom to top. We had done right hand curves and left hand curves from top to bottom as well as bottom to top. This helps in the flexibility of the wrist. So today we will do slanting lines, that is the next stroke that we need to master from bottom to top and top to bottom in the similar way. Practice as many strokes as possible so that you are comfortable doing these strokes easily at one go. Practice the strokes in both the directions. We also said that this is the correct way of drawing a square by drawing the individual strokes rather than drawing it at one go. So combining the sleeping lines and the standing lines and slanting lines. So today we will draw a shape with the standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, upper curve and lower curve. Upper curve and lower curve are similar to the right hand curve and the left hand curve. For drawing the shape, we will start with drawing the longest curve that we see in the picture. Here I started drawing with the clouds, then the outline of the ship, and then the waves of the ocean. ocean.